come to the market while new contracts fell this week. It's Friday, February 23rd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Inventory continues to rise as buyer contract activity slowed. There are 1,341 homes for sale, reflecting another increase from last week. 93 properties are coming soon, up 10.71%. 182 came to the market since last week, a drop of 6.5%. 58 went under contract, falling 41% from last report. 87 moved to pending, reflecting a 6.9% drop. 108 sold at 97.9% list to sold ratio, and days before contract fell to 18. The highest priced home to sell was in Stevensonville for $2,895,000. Rentals on the shore rose to $117 for $2,100 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 23rd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.